Okay, let's take a look at the front of this house. Spectacular. Every inch of this house is clean. That roof is looking spectacular. The house, amazing. Look how clean this house is. This is what happens when you call a real pro. Every inch, and I mean every inch, is cleaned to perfection. There's no splash and dash going on here. This is every inch. Every inch is cleaned. Nice and neat. Check it out. Check out how clean that roof is. 561-907-9541. Let's go back over here so you can see how clean this roof actually is.